Hello beautiful people, I'm Polly from Charming Tabby. In this video I'm going to show you the assembly of this beautiful Halloween candy bag that I designed. This design is available in my Etsy shop, so I hope you enjoy the assembly because it is perfect for sure for Halloween. In this PDF, because it's going to be only one PDF, you're going to receive this bag with the pockets. Pocket 1 and pocket 2. This is going to be the back and this is going to be the front. There is a little I forgot the word, where it's shown where to fold it, and you are going to receive those yummy snacks. With the bag, it's between bag and pocket. I'm going to cut it out and I'll show you how you can assemble it. It's something between bag and pocket. Okay. Just let me. It's better like this. Okay. If there is, some kind of problems when you cut it out, just trim it like this. Just remove the excess. Let me remove my scoring board. There it is. Is there another problem here? Like this is better. Okay. I'm going to use again this favorite of mine ink. Actually, I prefer this one. The brown one. Vintage Photo. Okay. And let me do it gently. first one. If there is a problem again, just remove the access. This and the second pocket, which is smaller. Now, when you put the pockets, if there is little imperfections, I personally, I'm not going to remove them, but just let me check the result, because the result is very important. This is something that I don't like. And probably this one here, because I don't like how it looks. Okay, and this one here, I think like this is better. Yes, it is better. Let me use more on this distressing. And black here. Gorgeous. And there are these delicious candies that if they weren't from paper, probably I was going to eat them because they really look real, very realistic. Oh, I love how it looks with, looks very vintage and at the same time realistic. And they are ready. Let me just remove completely the white part. Because I don't like how it looks with the white part. There it is. Oh yes, like this is better. And let me start filling the pockets. Let me check, did I glue them? Well, if there is some kind of problem, to fix it. Okay. Okay. Looks very beautiful. Looks very, very cool. So, I think it looks abundant. I don't know what do you think, but it looks very cute and gorgeous. I like the way that it looks. I wouldn't change it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And one more time, if you think that this is too much, you can print another bag and remove some of the embellishments in the other pocket. Personally, I think like this it's better. I don't know. So nevertheless, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and of course like this video, and see you on my next one. Bye bye guys.